Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to add Mailchimp to the Wix website. If you haven't already, sign up for a Mailchimp account or log into your existing one. In Mailchimp, create a new mailing list or use an existing one where you want your Wix website visitors to subscribe. Once you have your mailing list set up, navigate to the Audience tab in Mailchimp, then select Sign Up Forms and choose Embedded Forms. Customize the form fields and settings as per your requirements. Copy the provided HTML code. Now go to your Wix website editor. You can add the Mailchimp sign-up form to your Wix website by using the HTML iframe widget. Drag and drop the HTML iframe widget onto the page where you want the form to appear. After adding the HTML iframe widget, click on it to open the settings. Paste the Mailchimp embed code into the HTML settings box. You may need to adjust the size and position of the iframe widget to fit your website's design and layout. Preview your Wix website to ensure that the Mailchimp sign-up form appears correctly. Once satisfied, publish your website to make the changes live. Test the subscription form on your live website to ensure it's working as expected. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.